Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll talk about functions. So we'll look at some simple questions, but the way they are phrased out during exams, it makes learners or students be disorganized, and at the end, leaving out the answer, of which the answer was just right there. So I want to explain how these questions are asked. Now, you are familiar with such kind of questions during exams, but when the teacher is teaching in class, you don't come across such examples or such exercises. So you may be used to whereby you're given the table for values, you have the range, and you have the domain, or you have the domain, and then you're asked to find the range there. And the question that usually you were considering during classwork, it was find the values of y for the following values of x, isn't it? So that same mentality is the one that they are looking for, especially when they say given that f of x is equals to blah blah blah, find f of a number there. Now let me show you why I'm saying these are just simple questions, but the way they ask them, it makes us to think otherwise. So I have three questions here that we're going to look at. So given that f of x, the first one said given that f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 over 2, find f of 3. Now I want to explain something here. Remember they've said given that f of x, that is function of x, is equal to 3x minus 2 over 2. What have you noticed here? Well, if you look at the function of x, in brackets they've put x here. It means this function is 3x minus 2 over 2. So this x you are seeing here is appearing of course because of this x that they've put in brackets. Now they're saying let us find f of 3. So what does it mean? It means we want to here in this brackets we want to replace 3 with x here. We want to replace, of course, x with 3. So when we replace this x with 3, it means even this part where there's x, we're going to put 3. Because here we cannot do anything. These are not like terms. I'm sure you learned about like and unlike terms, isn't it? So here we're going to say f of 3 is equal to, notice here there was x, that's why x appeared here. Now since we have put 3 now, so x will disappear and what will appear will be 3. So is equal to 3 in brackets, we put the same 3 there, minus 2 over 2, like this. Then from there we're going to say f of 3 is equal to, what is 3 times 3? That is 9, isn't it? 9 minus 2 over 2. Then finally, f of 3 is equal to 9 minus 2, that is 7, over 2. And then finally we have our answer, f of 3 is equal to 3.5, isn't it? Because 2 into 7, it goes there, 3.5. And that's it. So it's just the same as the one that you do in class where they say given the values of x, or they'll say find the values of y given the following values of x. So here they're just trying to, before you, in fact during exams they just want to waste your time. You already know everything, but they are trying to see how you can waste your time by bringing questions that will make you think first of all. So next time you find a question like this, so just substitute the one that will be given when they say find the function of what is in a bracket there. Just take it to the function and then replace it where there is x or where there is a variable there, and then you're good to go. So let's look at the second one. The second one, there it's saying we have they're saying, so this is B. They're saying f of x is equal to x plus 3 over 2, and then we're finding f of negative 7. Yep. So again, we cannot do anything here because these are not like terms. This is x, this is 3, so we cannot do anything here. But when we replace it with negative 7, it means there's something can be done there. What do I mean? Just try and say f of negative 7 now will be equal to, so we're going to replace this x with negative 7 plus 3 over 2. And then now we come with laws of algebra. Negative 7 is equal to, what is negative 7 plus 3? To give us negative 4, isn't it? Yep, over 2. Then finally, our final answer is going to be f of negative 7 of this function is going to be negative 2. That's it. So you can't even take like 1 minute solving this in an exam. But if you don't get the concept now, it will take even more minutes because you are used to find the values of y for the following values of x. You're not used to given that the function of blah blah blah. So whenever a question comes like this in an exam, please just give it your best, you know. All right, let us just get more complex now. This one let's just get more complicated, like for this C part. C part is saying given the function of x is 2/3 x. 2/3 x minus, I think minus 2, right? Yeah, minus 2. Then find f of negative 3. Well, nothing is hard about this. All right, so you know that 2/3 x, it means 2/3 times x, isn't it? So we're going to write it by introducing the multiplication sign and say 2/3 times, where there's this x, we put this negative 3, just like we did on all these. So we're going to say negative 3, then minus 2 there. So when we say negative 3 into 3, it would be negative 1, isn't it? So down there, or not down there, we're going to have something like here to be negative 1, so it will be 2 times negative 1. So this one and this one is going to cancel. So we have 2 times negative 1, that is negative 2 minus 2. So negative 2 minus 2, negative 4. That's it. So next time you go through a past paper and then you find questions that are like, given that the function of x is equal to blah blah blah, find the f of a number, just don't waste your time. What you should do, just go where there's a letter, then look where they say find the f of a number there. Just go to the function and replace that letter with the number that you're given in the brackets. So I can say these are functions. Maybe I can say level 1 because functions really get more complicated. I remember doing the video of how you can find the function when the domain and the range are given. So if you haven't watched that video, because that one carries more marks during exams, so if you haven't yet watched that video, I think I'll put the link in the description of this video, so kindly click on it and then watch that video. So now for self-check, I'm going to I've prepared 2 questions that you can answer them on your own, and then just post the answers in the comment section. So these are the questions. So given that the function of x is equal to 7 minus 3x, find function of negative 3. The other one is this one. So please do this work and then type the answers in the comment section. Otherwise, it has been wonderful. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate for watching my videos. It has been amazing. Please continue sharing these videos, recommend them to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification there so that whenever I drop a new video, you get notification. Otherwise, I really appreciate, and please comment which topic you want me to teach on. I can go from I think I can go up to diploma level questions in mathematics. Otherwise, it has been amazing.